Alright, welcome to tutorial number 3. This tutorial will be going over the pattern features. Last time we did constraints, then before that we did drawings, now we'll do pattern. This will be a real quick one. These aren't too useful, but you might have to use them in one instance or another. So let's start out. Let's make it a rectangular array. So first we need some geometry to array. Maybe a pair of circles like this. For a rectangular array, you're going to need vectors for the array to follow. This will all make sense once I do it, so let's just make 2 lines. Sure, I know how to do this. If not, comment, and I haven't done my job in the first tutorial. So we just made 2 lines there. So click, click again, escape, click, click again with the line command. Now rectangular array, select geometry. So we're going to pick our geometry now. We want to array this and this. Direction, we want to follow this direction. We also want to follow this direction. How many do we want in each direction? So count. So let's say 4 by 4 with a 2-inch spacing in each direction. And so let's make this a 3-inch spacing. OK to finalize it, and we've got our rectangular array. Now if we want to delete this, let's go ahead and delete the pattern. Somewhere in here. Delete pattern. Let's delete our original geometry too. So just delete key. Now let's do a circular array. So for this we'll make some shape. There we go. We're going to array this circular array, but we need a point to array this around. This will do the same thing as a rectangular, except it will be around a point. So we pick a point here. We'll array it in a circle. So we need a point, so we'll draw a point. Let's say that's our axis of rotation for our array. Escape. Now circular array, geometry, that. Axis will be that. Now as you can see, it's sort of showing us what it's going to look like, just like the rectangular array did, but we don't want 6, we want, let's say 15. And do we want to go around the whole 360 to look like that? Let's go 270. And we can change the direction around the axis by clicking this button. Let's pick that. So, okay, there we go. Now we've got a circular array. Now let's do mirror. Mirror, we're going to need a line to mirror it about, so we'll mirror this thing. We'll draw a line here. Mirror. Select geometry. Let's do all this junk. Select the line. We want to mirror it about this line. Apply. And just like a mirror, there you have it. So that's the basics of patterns. Next we'll do modifications. And from there, I will show you how to make something perhaps useful. We'll maybe do this thing. So we'll make a 2D sketch of one of the faces of these, and then after that we're pretty close to done sketching, so we'll move on to making our 2D sketches into 3D models. So stay with me, subscribe, like, comment, you know what to do, and then I'll see you back here for modifying.